welcome back to my channel. Fruit and flowers. This is the Bridgerton set.
Ready and cue.
Hello to the people of the vlog. Ramadan Mubarak, Kareem, Ramadan Kareem. This is my calendar, and the reason, don't play with fire. The reason I don't really vlog here is because it's my calendar. I have this candle from Espresso, the restaurant, which is so random. Going to take a shower. It's 12 a.m. I was thinking, baal dho, nahi dho, baal dho, nahi dho. I completely forgot I need to take pictures in this one lawn outfit tomorrow, for which I need my hair done. I've used this one. It's nice, floral, fresh, aqua, cute vibe. This one is called Mixed Emotions. Mixed Emotions smells nice. Is that my toxic trait? Oh, it's very nice, and it's lemony and it's zesty. It's 1:30 a.m. I have showered and I'm just about to apply my nighttime fragrance. It's Victoria by Latafa.
Sleepy time.
I have these lovely dua cards next to me. Shout out Osama Nasir and Shukr Hai. They are actually giving out and distributing 100 Dawat meals every single day they're giving out. I'll put the link down in the caption so you guys can go donate. They sent a lot of cards that you can just read to do zikr. Yeah, because I was thinking कि मैं अभी कुछ खाऊं सेहरी के लिए सीरी.
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने लो.
Good morning. 12 बज रहे. I'm so treating today like मुझे अभी एक रील नहीं बनानी. My outfit is from Sania Muskatia's new launch. Feeling a bit low on energy. I'm just going to pray my Zohar. So, skincare. The reason I've kept my skincare so simple because Ramzan mein you don't want to put so many products because you're going to keep doing your wuzu. You're going to keep washing off your skincare. So what I've done is sunscreen, lazmi. Pond serum for the dark spots and pigmentation I have, lazmi. And one product that I love. And this I'm loving. This is the Medicute PDRN Pink Peptide Serum with a 1% DNA complex. इसका basic मतलब है कि जो आपकी skin में softness कभी ख़त्म हो जाती है, texture थोड़ा cracky हो जाता है, lines आ जाती हैं, not aging but just dryness वाली, stuff like this will really help you. Mama, how does it feel? 6 years later you're baking again in the vlog. पहली दफ़ा आपने इस पे ही बनाए थे अपने banana breads.
Yeah, the only difference is
You don't have help?
No, पहले मैं अभी जो मैं बना रही हूँ, it's less carbs and full protein. This is, it has no sugar, nothing. It is 50 grams of protein and 500 calories only.
Per slice.
The whole thing is 500 calories and 50 grams of protein.
Good for
So
you.
can you see I'm removing these eggs and I'm gonna go outside and make it by the way in the
Okay.
garden.
My photographer.
क्या हम तुम्हारे vlog में आए हैं?
You guys are coming in the vlog. The first time she baked was on my YouTube channel. First time in her life. आप क्या कर रही हैं?
पकोड़े.
एक सेकंड में आपने मूड सही करा है. एक सेकंड में आपने कैमरा ऑन. मेरी नानी ने देख लिया. जो ऐसी शक्ल थी वो ऐसे बन गई एक सेकंड में. These are my favorite pakoras, guys. Why should I lie? Literally, when we went to pick up iftari, genuinely Hussein को रोज़ा लगा और फिर मुझे रोज़ा लगा, and then I did not pick up the phone to vlog because I was in a pissy mood. And whenever we fight, we argue and we argued because such stupid things. He's like, you said this to me, you said this to me. I'm like, I literally didn't like say anything. Moral of the story is, in a good relationship, in a healthy relationship, you will have fights. It is normal to have fights and arguments and disagreements. So today is iftar number 2. I am currently in this outfit. I think ये मैंने Lama से 2 साल पहले ली थी. This is just like it's like a little Lama dress which I'm just using घर में. अभी it's 1 p.m. Exactly 1 p.m. and I'm gonna go pray Zohar. Uske baad, I have a little bit of like birthday stuff planning to do. Birthday stuff planning, not mine. So I am planning some really fun things. I've cleaned the room. That's my big comfy pillow. This pillow I use if I sit on the floor and I do things. I really like the addition of the carpet, but I just feel like there's still like extra happening. And I've been thinking कि मैं bed को वहाँ कर दूँ जैसे होता था in the first vlog, this way, and put the sofa over here, carpet over here, and ये wall मैंने बहुत crazy सोची हुई है, बस crazy करने का time नहीं मिल रहा, because the thing is I hate when people are working in my room. It's like it's my space, like I don't want mitti, I don't want things. I'm like crazy. So that's why my room renovation has taken like 3 years, but I feel like this is the year where inshallah 2026 I'm gonna finalize some things and I'm gonna keep it the same way for a couple of years. The vlog just always continues from my bathroom, but there's one thing that I've been not vibing with the most these days, and that's a middle parting, because I feel like it makes my forehead even look smaller. And though I don't have a really big forehead, alhamdulillah say, or maybe I do, I don't know, my forehead is like...
Do you think of the color palette?
I don't like it that much.
Really?
Yeah. I'm personally not the biggest fan of nude.
Yeah.
In like nude and white and beige and nude takes anything more to the boho side. And I'm not a boho person. You want to tell people how you fought me yesterday? Today I was talking about how every relationship will have testing moments.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
यार guys, रमजान का महीना है, शैतान बंद हो गया है, वो बरगलाता है लोगों के अंदर. ऐसी चीज़ों में ना हमें वो
सब्र दिखाना
सब्र
चाहिए.
दिखाना चाहिए.
हमें सांस लेनी चाहिए लंबी.
There is no issue.
Oh my god, there's a fountain? Guys, पानी देखें.
Alan, ये तो वही हो गया जब Aisha with my mom in the superstore where she's...
Guys, wait.
Whoa, big boy.
Fruit and flowers. Fruit is not mine. Phal sabzi kahan? Guys, I don't know how Hussein and I have done this again. We did not vlog iftari.
That's not on me. You are having a headache today.
कैमरा तो आप भी उठा सकते थे. ऐसी तो कोई बात नहीं है. Sorry guys, now we are on our way. Where are we going?
We're on our way to either shake and bake.
Yeah, it's shake and bake. Actually, I forgot. Oh my god, my bag was about to fall, but I was saying
You never told me.
Huh? No.
Oh, thank God.
We're currently at Shake and Bake. We're waiting for drinks. I didn't get coffee. Gang. My cute husband. My cute husband. Date, it's 2 p.m. I have the band-aid on. Haven't slept. I was gonna sleep when I got home. In the morning, the reason I headed to the hospital, I had a chocolate milkshake last night. And I had a peanut butter bagel after that. And एक रात पहले मैंने एक मैग्नम खाई. Like I've been on sweets overload since the last 2 days, because as you guys have seen vlog में इफ्तारी का कुछ आया ही नहीं है, because first day इफ्तारी literally was मामा नाना were eating जैसे इफ्तारी हो रही थी, नमाज पढ़ी, भूख नहीं लगी, there was no like table situation, and then I don't know, we had a shawarma bowl at like 11 p.m. that night. Like Hussein and I just didn't do iftari. Like हमने पानी पिया, नमाज पढ़ी, और बस 2 पकोड़े I think खाए. And in the middle of all of this, I didn't vlog. I literally didn't vlog. And I was like tired. Yesterday, I forgot to vlog. And yesterday for iftari, we were home alone. And we had chana chaat, which we shared between both of us, because him and me, and he's not here right now, but him and I, we both, like हमारी खुराक इतनी सी है. Like we'll drink water. I don't drink water, but he'll drink water and do other things, and I'm really trying to drink more water. And then रात को जब आधी चना चाट मैंने भी खाई है, honestly मैंने 4-5 चम्मच खाए थे. And then we went to Shake and Bake, and this is not the drink's fault. I think I was also constipated, which caused all of these problems. To Shake and Bake, got my shake, had my peanut butter sandwich, half of it, and then I just started feeling like sick. Started feeling like sick at like 11:30 p.m. And then by 12:30, I'm in bed, I'm tossing and turning, and like my stomach is not feeling good. Like मेरे सर पे, you know, जो gases चढ़ जाती हैं, वो चढ़ गई थी, and I'm like, I took a Mifta for constipation. Then in the middle of the night, I woke up, used the loo, nothing happened. And then in the morning, I just got the, you know, the cold sweats, and I just threw up a bit of the shake, which made me feel good because I'm like, ठीक है, अगर ये digest नहीं हुआ था, बाकी सब digest हो गया है, great. And then I was like doing a lot of I'm like PTSD, like I don't want to clear my throat right now. Like clearing my throat. In the morning, the more I cleared it, the more phlegm happened. And like the more phlegm happened, the more my throat closed off. And I'm telling you guys, मैं यहाँ सोने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm doing और मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही. और मुझे सांस like चढ़ रही है. And now I deal with anxiety, but मुझे panic attacks में इतना like breathing के ऐसे कभी मसले नहीं हुए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से. Like थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाने में and whatever उसमें सही होता है, but like it was like I couldn't breathe and I had to like manually breathe. You know, एक तो automatic continuous breathing होती है. Like, you know, you don't even know you're breathing, like you're breathing out. And I had to just like breathe and breathe. And I waited 45 minutes. This is not getting better. Like, I am not being able to breathe. And like, sleep to ab dur ki baat hai. Main, like, obviously my heart is really tight because my chest is squeezed, and I really think that was a bit episodic, and it was similar to what an anxiety and panic attack can be, but like my stomach was fine. I didn't feel like throwing up, so I don't know what the problem was. The moral of the story is at 7:50 I called Hussein because I didn't want to wake Mama to take me to the hospital, and I don't know how to drive, and like I didn't want to do that to her, so I called Hussein. And he just picked me up and we went to AQER. Shout out AQER Clifton. They are too good, mashallah say. And like as soon as I was even having my blood pressure done, I'm like, bro, I am not okay. Like I cannot breathe in the car. Like it was really hard for me to talk. Like it was a lot. And honestly, जब मुझे drips लगी, I was better. It was dehydration and constipation. And they said it was not anxiety. They even an ECG because I'm like, my chest is tight. Alhamdulillah for zindagi, alhamdulillah for health. It's just, जब ऐसी छोटे वाक़यात होते, it just really reminds you कि भाई एक दिन ये सब बंद, ये सब ख़त्म हो जाएगा. I was like really thinking, like I really made it more serious than it had to be, and maybe I was just like scared, but I was really scared. Now I'm okay, alhamdulillah say. I'm gonna have my fruit and I'm gonna chill.
आपको याद है जब बचपन में हमारी तबीयत खराब होती थी, आप कैसे हॉस्पिटल ले जाती थी?
आंटी अपना हाथ ना जब बोलना मेरी प्यारी बेटी, तब अपना हाथ ऊपर लेके रखना है.
वैसे ही हॉस्पिटल के ओपीडी के बहुत खर्चे हैं.
एक टेक, फर्स्ट टेक.
Mashallah. Mystery fragrance of the day. So IBS, yeah guys, I was in the hospital and this is the scent of the day, and it was bad because my IBS flared up. I wasn't eating sehri at the right time. I was having it before I slept at like 11 p.m. and I wasn't drinking enough water, and you know what that does? It ends you in the hospital. Okay, we're gonna look for this really quickly.
It's such a long name.
Oh, found it. Rose of No Man's Land. Someone told me to not apply perfume on my neck, it can mess with hormones. I like it. It's not like grandmother rosy. It's like new generation rosy with a bit of like floral, and floral, not like sweet floral, calm floral.
This is crazy stuff going in there. We're gonna bake for like 5 minutes. ये बन जाएंगे crispies इसके अंदर डालेंगे shredded cheese के साथ.
My mother's been cooking.
अच्छा मुझे तुम लोग ऐसे फ्रेश वाले बड़े वाली भी ले
अभी
आना
नहीं ना? He's blaming me for this.
What?
It's you are caught on camera doing this and you're blaming me. Guts.
But who balances this on top of this? Explain yourself.
You explain yourself. Why is that little
What?
box kept there?
Yeah.
Use some common
See,
sense.
Look at the balance. Look at the weight balance on this. And tell me if I have to move one weight anywhere.
Okay. Too much trying to do mansplaining. You can just say, sorry, I dropped it.
I apologize for dropping it.
Open. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But the set is not ready. And I love the makeup because it's the same way I did mine, minus the way the eyes, because I don't know how to have eyes. Hossein is really invested in my hair. मुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपको आज रोज़ा लग रहा है? नहीं. मेरा रोज़ा नहीं है तो ये सवाल मुझ पे जायज़ नहीं है. इस एक्सरसाइज से शक्ल सिमेट्री हो जाती है, सिमेट्री वापस आ जाती है. It's 2 o'clock. We're just about to start. It's a Bridgerton themed shoot. It's going to be fun. The fit is really cute. It's kalamkar. There's a lot of really, really nice detailing. We just have to see what the styling is going to be when we go on set.
खुद बंद हुई है. लाइट चेक करो. ऐसे लो ना. लाइट के आगे से सारे लोग हटो. लाइट के आगे से हटे आप लोग. लाइट के आगे से हटो. हमारे जरूरी काम पे खड़े लाइट. अच्छा अब इसके बाद
I'm not even joking, it's 5 p.m. and we haven't started the second look. And everyone just has 2 looks. No one has started the second look.
नमाज पढ़ता है फिर वो बैठते हैं. ये जिसके अंदर करे ना
हमें अभी चाय बना रही है. We have to Please tell the audience what we have to do.
we are going to make a reel और make reel बनने से पहले 100 मसले खड़े हो गए.
रील हमारी नहीं बन रही. हम बस वेट कर रहे हैं. This is the Bridgerton set. Pakistani Bridgerton.
reel खोलो.
Tala's very stressed.
ये काम करते हैं.
I'm so tired.
क्या बनाना है? चल
ओके ये कप हटा के
BTS बनाना है. वो तो बन रहा है.
आई ना नीचे बैठो.
हाँ
है ना?
पूरा नीचे बैठा है.
रेडी एंड क्यू.
हो गया शॉट पहला.
परफेक्ट हो गया.
ठीक है,
शॉर्ट हो गया।
अब हम इसमें ये डालेंगे, ये तुमने साइड से लेना है, ये गिरते हुए दिखे।
रेडी एंड क्यू।
थोड़ा ऊपर, परफेक्ट, रुक जा।
परफेक्ट हो गया।
ऊपर से ले एक शॉट पे, लवली, खलास,
परफेक्ट हो गया। ठीक है,
रेडी।
चल पे यहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ पढ़ सकते हैं, लाइक वहाँ से उठा
थोड़ा
के।
सा empty
क्या है?
थैंक यू।
ठीक है, चल।
परफेक्ट 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 परफेक्ट, करते जाओ। हाँ, बहुत
That's
अच्छा शॉट है, बहुत
perfect.
अच्छा शॉट।
बहुत अच्छा हो गया।
Sana's gonna be having tea alone. Mano's on the piano. I'm serving tea with my bag. Thank you.
ये किसका दुपट्टा है?
ये मेरा ही है.
लेके आ जाओ।
How do you feel?
Yeah, वो पीछे से.
Just look at our faces, guys.
Look at my face. Like, do I look like this? No, right?
I don't even. I was like, oh, my eye color is like normal now, and then I looked at yours. I'm like, no, it's not. We're exhausted. We're just sitting here. No, I thought my eyes were dark. Ekdam se when she was like nice. I'm like,
My eye color was normal, but I looked at yours and I'm like, no.
no, hers is lighter. I meant to say darker and lighter. I'm not functional. I'm. Why aren't you singing?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।